Guys, follow me.
Hello my friends, today we are going to have very easy and tasty recipe for the beef and green beans. We are going to cook a very interesting recipe which is fit the keto diet. For people who are on keto diet, at the end of the video I'm going to show a very interesting recipe for the side dish. Follow me till the end and follow me to the kitchen. It's very simple recipe. You need the green beans, onion, 3 or 4 cloves of garlic, chopped cube beef, 3 or 4 tomatoes, tomato paste, salt and pepper. We prepared the green beans. You can cut it by hand in 2 or 3 pieces. You can see in such way. After you complete it, you can wash it. I put the onion and the garlic in the food processor and I'm going to finely chop it. Preheated pan, we can put good amount of oil to cover the bottom of the pan. I'm going to add dash of black pepper and dash of salt as per your taste. So I'm going to chop the tomato as well in the food processor. That makes my sauce very tasty from the fresh tomato beside the tomato paste. So the meat is getting fried very well on a very medium fire. As well, I already kept a separate kettle with a boiling water where I'm going to boil my green beans. So first you boil your green beans with unsalted water and then the beans will remain green. The beans get sometimes to be cooked, so it needs around 10 to 12 minutes. So the boiled water, it's ready, and we're going to put our green beans in the boiled water to boil. The meat gets ready. I'm going to add now the chopped tomato. At the same time, I'm going to reduce the fire. I'm going to put a very low fire because I'm going to slowly boil the sauce, where after some times I'm going to add the tomato paste. So I kept the tomato boiling along with the meat, and now it's time to add the tomato paste. I'm going to add 2 big tablespoons of tomato paste to make it rich in flavor. You can reduce the fire or switch the fire on your sauce till the green beans get ready. After that, you can add the green beans with a little bit water from the boiled water from the green beans on the sauce and continue your cooking, which I'm going to do it now. My friend, my sauce is getting ready. At the same time, I'm boiling my green beans and I'm waiting till my green beans get soft. So time to time I'm taking 1 green beans and I'm trying if it's already get cooked. I think my green beans need 4 to 5 minutes more in the boiling water. And I'm going to use the strainer to move it out from the water and add it into my sauce. I just stir it well, get mixed along with the sauce and the beef. It smells awesome. The green beans, by the way, they are low in carbs. The major contents are fiber and water and some vitamins. And that's why it's very keto friendly, you can use it. And it is very interesting in taste and very easy to cook it. And this is almost here, we have 800 grams of green beans. So 800 grams, I add 400 grams of chopped beef. So you can see here the green beans are a little bit dry. From the same water where I have boiled the beans, I'm going to add a little bit of water. First of all, the water is warm, and this is also has the flavor of the green beans. I'm going to keep it to really steamed well in this sauce. And by the way, I'm going to check the salt level and cover it and let it boil for 10-15 minutes on a very low fire. Dear friends, I'm going to take this opportunity while my green beans getting cooked to introduce for you new products. This is what we call it buckwheat. The buckwheat, it's a very interesting crop where it is contain 0% of sugar and contain almost 65% of carbohydrates. Yes, carbohydrates, it's not very low, but you can take 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons as a replacement for rice, or you already fed up from the cauliflower rice. If you are already have maintained your body weight, you can have 1 time in a week a buckwheat as a side dish, which I'm going to have it today along with my green beans. After I have washed the buckwheat, I kept it in the kettle. Now I'm going to use the water which I have used it to boil the green beans and add it here just to cover the buckwheat. And by this time I would like to introduce you a few points important about the buckwheat, because many of you now may not heard about the buckwheat because it's not very famous crop in many parts of the world. As you see now, I have covered my buckwheat. I need maybe half centimeters above the buckwheat level itself to add water, and beside that I'm going to add dash of salt. On this time I would like to add for you that the buckwheat, it's high in fiber. It means it's very good antioxidants for you. It's very high in minerals. It's very interesting products where when you boil it, the contents of the carbohydrate, which is 65 to 70%, get reduced to 20%. Buckwheat, it contains a lot of minerals like copper, magnesium, iron, magnesium, and phosphorus, and it's very interesting because it has a lot of fiber and antioxidant I have mentioned. Please enjoy your meat, and if you like my video, kindly subscribe to my channel and put like. I will continue my recipe to show you the final results. My friends, the green beans are ready. You can see lovely sauce, very thick. The beans already I tried. They are cooked as per my taste. You know, some people they like it overcooked. I like it a bit crunchy. So I'm going to switch off and cover it. And my buckwheat are going to get ready within 5 minutes. The buckwheat is ready. As you see, it's very fluffy when you cook it and looks like a crops. I'm going to add a little bit of butter, and just you can mix the butter till the butter get melt. My dear friends, I already scooped 2 scoops, big scoops of the green beans, cooked one, and literally 2 tablespoons of cooked buckwheat. Just to mention that buckwheat, when it is cooked, it gets 2 times bigger than its size. So it means the content of the carbohydrate here is very less. Bon appetit, enjoy your dinner. Please, if you like my recipe, don't forget to subscribe and put like. And see you in next video with more interesting recipes for your keto diet to fill your belly hungry man. Have a good day. Bye bye.